Evelyn. Hi.
15-month-old baby Evelyn Boswell, a beautiful blue-eyed toddler from Tennessee, being raised by her teen mom, Megan, goes missing with an Amber Alert issued on February 19th, 2020.
We remain committed and continue to do everything possible to find out what happened to Evelyn. And as always, as soon as relevant information and accurate information, I want to really reiterate that as it comes to us, we will get that out as soon as possible. Okay. Anyone with relevant information concerning Evelyn's whereabouts are asked to call 1-800-TBI-FIND.
But that Amber Alert was not issued on the day she went missing. Baby Evelyn actually disappeared in late 2019. And her mom said she didn't report her missing because she knew the person who had her and did not want them to take off with her.
I've told TBI where to find her in Mendota. My mom took her to a campground in a silver camper, and if they don't go tonight, I'm going to go find her myself. Just bring her back. I just want her back. That's all I want. I've been so long without her, and I know a lot of people are like, oh, why didn't you report it missing earlier? Because my mom threatened me, and I just want her back. That's all I can think about is how much I just want her back.
But investigators were not buying Megan Boswell's stories.
Aware that we've received a number of conflicting, inaccurate statements from the mother, Megan Boswell, Evelyn's mother.
What happens next is a strange string of events. First, Evelyn's grandmother, Angela, is arrested with her boyfriend in North Carolina for possession of a stolen vehicle, which was part of the Amber Alert. Then Evelyn's mom is arrested in Tennessee for making false statements.
We determined that some of the statements Megan Boswell provided to us were false. Many of the false statements that Megan made delayed our investigations and also impeded our investigations on trying to find Evelyn. As a result, she has been charged with false reporting.
Any questions about that? Ms. Boswell, any questions about that?
Then big breaking news. 2 weeks after Evelyn was reported missing, a toddler's remains are found.
This evening, we received the information that led TBI agents and Sullivan County detectives to a property belonging to a family member of Evelyn's mother in the 500 block of Muddy Creek Road in Blumpville. During the search, investigators discovered human remains believed to be those of a 15-month-old girl. The remains will be sent for an autopsy and a positive identification.
So now the question is, what happened to baby Evelyn and who is responsible?
You know, a big part of this case are the statements made by Megan Boswell and a lot of lies. The original charges against her, she was originally locked up for lying, and it reminds me of someone else who lied about their missing child somewhere down in Central Florida. Anyway, let's bring back in the think tank. Evelyn Mercy, Josh Schiffer, Nima Romani with us. Nima, how significant are the lies? I mean, is there ever a reason for a mother to lie about her missing child that is innocent, that doesn't involve her being implicated in what happened to the child?
Never, Vinny, and that's really the theme of the show today, lies. And I'm not going to bring up that Florida case because I think that was an outlier, but we have so much information in this case. Boswell's lies. I mean, first it was dad, right, who was on military duty, then grandma, and those statements to the media. I mean, this is going to be a pretty quick conviction here. I think she's going to present terribly if she actually decides to testify.
Josh Schiffer, is there ever an innocent reason to lie about your missing child?
No, the justification you would need to lie about a missing child would be so great and threatening to you, you'd have to be willing to kind of sacrifice yourself. Lies become burdens, and when you're carrying that burden, you keep telling more lies to lessen that burden. I think that's what happened here. Lies turned into more lies, turned into more lies. I think that they are going to have a field day, just like Naeem said. They're going to put this up, jury's going to see right through it, and then the real push begins to really figure out what happened to this innocent child.
You know, there's another fact here, Evelyn Mercy, is that the child went missing and nobody reported her missing for months. I mean, for months, literally. And then when it was time to report her missing, made up this crazy story.
Yeah, well, as a former guardian ad litem, unfortunately, I've had the pleasure of representing like children like Megan, who has had to lie for their parents for like the whole time. So they've had a childhood in which they've had to lie for adults, and it's really hard to like turn it off. So I can see that being an issue. And I can also see, a child wanting to protect her mom and not, throw her mom under the bus. So we don't know the family dynamic. That's what's going to be uncovered in trial. But it's not really out of the realm of possibility for a child to be, groomed in the sense of lying, that the truth is not your friend, that, lying will make it better. Confrontation is a problem. So, I mean, if you have a person that's been, brought up that way, it lends itself to situations like this.
That was very close to that opening statement made down in Florida years ago. Evelyn Mercy, you're giving me flashbacks. The good news, Nima, this jury will not be coming from Pinellas County. They'll be in Sullivan County, Tennessee, unless the trial gets moved. All right, here we go. Motions on April 7th, trial date September 26th. So this fall, Tennessee versus Megan Boswell for the murder of baby Evelyn.